In today's video, we're going to be using the D.I.Wire Pro and a few other tools to build a lamp. You'll need 12 pieces of 1/8-inch steel wire, a pendant lamp wiring kit, an LED light bulb, a computer with the latest version of WireWare, mini bolt cutters, acrylic sheet for your laser cutter or a 3D printer with PLA or ABS filament, and of course a D.I.Wire Pro or Plus. To build your own lamp, the first thing you need to do is head over to PenzaLabs.com and download the files. We'll provide you with files so that you can laser cut the top plate and the bottom plate, they're the same, and the middle retaining ring, which also holds the light bulb and hardware. You can also just print these out and hand cut them if you want, or you can download the STL files to 3D print them. So whether you have a laser cutter, a 3D printer, or just some hand tools, you can build this project. After you cut these parts out, the next thing you'll want to do is bend 12 of the profiles of your lamp. We also provide those files on PenzaLabs.com. So let's get started. First thing I'll do is turn on my D.I.Wire Pro, then launch WireWare, open Path Mode, open my profile, click OK. Select the appropriate material. I'll be using black nylon coated steel. Click Home, and you'll see your machine. The head will drop down, and it will run a homing sequence. Then I can load the wire. You should already be familiar with using and loading wire on your D.I.Wire Pro prior to starting this project. But you simply load it in the back, then we use this tool to tighten the feed wheels. One click, we're good. And you feed the wire until it's right at the end of the bend head. Then we can head back over to our computer and click bend. And your D.I.Wire should start bending up your profiles immediately. Now I'm not going to bore you with 12 of these being bent up, so let's fast forward a little bit and see how they come out. Okay. So here is my last profile. They're a little unwieldy at this point. And I've got 12 of them here. So it's time to assemble my lamp. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and I'm going to use the laser cut pieces for this one. And I'll do a quick time lapse so you don't have to watch all this either. But it's very simple. Here's the base plate. You feed one wire into there. What I like to do is get about 2 of them in, like this, lay it down, put the top plate in, which is the same as the bottom plate. And we skipped 3, 1, 2, 3, and we'll put it right there. And then I get one more in, and once you add the third one, it gets pretty stable. And then add the retaining ring. And there's 3 of the 12. So let's go ahead and finish this up. And that is my lamp structure. Now let's add the electronic components. You can pick up a lamp set or pendant lamp set anywhere online in many big box stores. I like to buy mine online because I get to find places that have these braided cords, which I think are really beautiful looking. So we take our lamp set, feed it through the bottom here, put on the top, then we need to add a bulb. And now all I have to do is plug it in. After completing my lamp, I decided I wanted to customize it, so I laser cut some acrylic panels to help diffuse the light. I think it looks great.